Can this go in a dryer or does it have to be hung?
It can be dried.
Are you sure?
Yep. Yay, good girl. That's a good birdie. Good job, Momo.
What'd she do? Lay another egg?
She laid an egg. She laid an eggie. Good job, Mama Bird. That's number 4 then.